Well, on my way up to Rydal Fell, I stopped off at Rydal Cave, which is above Rydal Water, and I put the drone up. And coming down to the cave entrance, I'm just so pleased that a couple actually turned up at that time, because it actually shows the size of the cave and gives it some sort of perspective. But it's a really massive structure and well worth a visit. Well, this is Rydal Cave. It's just so impressive. Well, how was that for a cave entrance? Looking straight across the Nab Scar. This cave is absolutely massive.